Next task is 199 binary tree right side view. We are given a root of binary tree and we need to imagine ourselves standing on the right side of it. Return the values of the nodes you can see ordered from top to bottom. So we're given this tree, and when we look from right, we see only these values 1, 3, and 4. And in this one also we see 1, 3, 4, 5. The number of nodes in the tree is in the range from 0 to 100. Value is in the range from negative 100 to 100. And this question was asked by Meta, Google, Amazon, Bloomberg, Oracle, Uber, Yandex, ServiceNow. Okay, so to solve this problem, we are going to use breadth first search using Q. First of all, uh, we need to we need to check that root exists. If it doesn't exist, we just return empty list and we have to define the answer. And I'm going to define a Q, say Q, and it is going to be a deck with just root inside. And then what we need to do is while Q exists, we get the top element. So for instance, one, we need to find the number of elements in our queue. For that, node count, it is going to hold the number of elements in current row. So node count is going to be len of q. And then so Q stores all the elements in one row. So for instance, initially it contains 1, and then after popping 1, we have 1 and 2. Because of that, we need to get the last element of Q. For that, we are going to use -1 dot val. So negative, this one returns the top of the queue, so tail of the queue, so last element in the queue, and then we just insert the answer, its value into our answer. And then what we have to do is while for in range node count, we have to pop Q. So Q dot pop left. And then if node has left uh, child, then we need to insert it into the queue. Same thing with the right child. If right exists, we push it into our queue. And then in the end of the function, we have to return the answer. Let's run our code. All cases are passed. Let's submit it. Okay, and the time complexity of this function is going to be linear. And then space complexity also linear because we are using Q and iterating over all the nodes.